Hello students, today we are going to discuss about electronic configuration of 4D series. Okay, the 4D series consists of 10 elements, that is from yttrium to cadmium, atomic number 39 to the cadmium atomic number 48. So why we call these elements as 4D series? Okay, always the new electron enters into 4D orbital. That is the reason we are calling these elements as a 4D series. Now coming to the elements first, let's see the pronunciation and we can move to the electronic configuration next. Okay, first one, yttrium. Yttrium atomic number 39 and symbol is Y. Okay, next zirconium, symbol is Zr and atomic number 40. Next niobium, symbol is Nb and atomic number 41. Next molybdenum, symbol is Mo, atomic number 42. Next technetium, symbol is Tc and atomic number 43. Ruthenium, symbol is Ru and atomic number 44. Next rhodium, symbol is Rh, atomic number 45. And palladium, symbol is Pd and atomic number 46. Next silver, atomic number 47, symbol is Ag. Next cadmium, atomic number 48, symbol is Cd. So we must know the pronunciation, then only we can move to electronic configuration. So coming to the electronic configuration, so here I wrote krypton. This is a atomic noble gas which is having atomic number 36. Okay, so here I wrote the electronic configuration of krypton. So while writing in notes, please write this krypton electronic configuration and continue this one. Okay, coming to the valence configuration. Okay, so 36 and still it has the 3 electrons. Next 3 electrons are entering into 4d1 5s2. So 36 plus 3, that is 39. Okay, next coming to zirconium. So krypton 36. Next we are having 4d2 5s2. So 36 plus 4, 40. We are having total 40 electrons in zirconium. Next niobium. Niobium we are having 41 electrons. So krypton 36. Next continuation 44 5s1. That means 36 plus 5 we are having 41 electrons. Okay. Next molybdenum. Molybdenum is having 42 electrons. Here I wrote krypton 36. Along with 36 we are having 6 more electrons in 45 and 5s1. That is coming under 42. So total it is a 42 electrons. Next technetium, it is having 43 electrons. So here krypton is again 36. Along with 36 we are having 4d and 5s. So 45, 5s2. So 36 plus 7, 43. Okay. Next ruthenium. Ruthenium is having 44 electrons. So krypton 36 and I wrote 47, 5s1. So 36 plus 8, we are having 44 electrons. Okay. Next rhodium. Rhodium is having 45 electrons. Now we are having krypton, that is 36. Now again continuation 48 5s1. 36 plus 9, we are having 45 electrons in rhodium. Okay. Next we have palladium. Palladium is having 46 electrons. So this 46 electrons, krypton is 36 along with 4d10, 5 is 0. So 36 plus 10, we have 46 electrons. Okay. Next coming to Ag, that is silver. Silver having 47 electrons. So krypton is already having 36 along with 4d10, 5s1, we have a 47 electrons. Next coming to cadmium. Cadmium is having 48 electrons and krypton is 36 along with 4d10, 5s2. 36 plus 12, we have 48 electrons. So this is a filling up of electrons. So we have many doubts while filling the electrons, why it is exhibiting a jumping of electrons. So that reasons I'll explain now. Okay, you can see here we are having niobium onwards, we have some differential filling. Okay, so up to zirconium it is okay, 4d to 5s2, 4 electrons are filled normally. So but niobium, 1 electron from 5s is jumping to 4d. This is the reason of nuclear attraction. That means the electrons of valence shell is attracted by the nucleus present in the atom. Okay, so due to that reason the 5s electron is jumping to 4d. Okay, you are understanding. So here we are having 44 5s1, that is the reason of nuclear attraction. Along with that valence shell electrons repulsions. So if the atom size is decreasing, what happens? The electrons present in the valence shell gets repelled because the size decreases, the shell gets decreased. That is, a valence shell gets decreased. Due to that reason, there is a repulsion in the valence shell. So due to that reason, one electron from valence shell jumps into the inner shell. So here 5s electron is jumping to 4d. Due to that reason, I got 44 5s1. Next, coming to molybdenum. This is similar to chromium configuration. There we got half-filled electronic configuration. If you remember chromium, we have half-filled configuration, that is more stable. So one electron from 5s is jumping to 4d to fill half-filled configuration in 4d. Next, coming to technetium. This is normally 45 5s2. Next, ruthenium onwards, decrease in size shows more effect on the electronic configuration. Why? Because ruthenium is having 44 electrons here. You may think it can be 4d6 5s2. Okay, but electrons in the valence shell still get attracted into the nucleus of the atom, and electrons in the valence shell will be jumping into the 4d shell. So due to that reason, we got 44, 47 and 5s1. So here onwards, you can observe that decrease in size. So palladium, here you can see palladium 4d10, 5s0. That is a reason for completely filled electronic configuration. Always remember, completely filled, half filled and empty filled orbitals, degenerate orbitals, are always stable. Why? Because equal distribution and equal energy gives more stability to the orbitals. So due to that reason, palladium, in order to get completely filled configuration in 4d, electrons of 5s jumping into 4d and making 5s shell empty. Okay, so 5s orbital is becoming empty and 4d is filled. Next, coming to silver. This is similar to copper electronic configuration. So you can observe copper valence shell, there is a 3d10 4s1. Similar to that, we have a 4d10 5s1 in order to get completely filled configuration. So next we have cadmium. So this is both shells, both orbitals are completely filled. Both 5s and 4d are completely filled in order to get stable configuration. So may get doubt why empty, half filled or completely filled orbitals are more stable. That is the main reason, equal distribution. So if you have equal energy, if I distribute anything equally, you all will be stable. Same way, orbitals also equal in nature. So if I distribute anything equally, they all become stable because of their symmetry. Okay, this is about electronic configuration of 4D series. Thank you.